on doing my makeup. Baka ito na palagi yung makeup routine ko.
Hi everyone! Last time, I asked sa story ko if ano pang mga makeup recommendation yung gusto nilang ipagawa sa akin. Marami naman mga nag-recommend, so namimili na lang ako ano doon yung gagawin ko. So today, we are going to do my friend Renea's request, which is the Latina makeup look. Sakto, today, aalis din kami. Kakain kami sa labas ng ko, relatives. Mag-skin prep muna tayo, of course. You know, what I love about the Latina makeup look, yung base nila sobrang flawless. Gusto ko yung ganun. Talagang parang snatch na snatch ang brows, falsies, girl lips. Yun ang mga focus nila talaga. Brows, eyes, and lips. Tapos highlighters. Tapos yung base nila talagang full coverage. Looks so smooth, you know. Parang 2016, foundations, ganun, 2016 brows. Skin prep. Alright, so let's start with the serums, of course. The Power Serum Duo of Access Y. So, alam nyo na, unahin ko yung pore stuff. Si mama kasi, nag-crave siya ng pancake, guys. Lagay ko lang yun sa mga parts na ma-pores ako. Next is this Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. Put it on my dark spots. Talaga yung mga dark spots ko. Sa lips, alam nyo na, the Human Nature in the shade Guava Jelly. Sobrang love na love ko. From Hello Glow, this is the Aloe Vera Serum Soothing Gels. Ilang days ko na rin siyang ginagamit. Ginagamit ko siya for the, for day. Kung makikita niyo dun sa TikTok and IG post ko. So, lagay ko lang siya for moisture. Kayo bala! Yan naman si mother. Feature na naman siya sa vlog ko. So, I'll just let that dry. Okay lang kaya yung lighting kasi ang ngayon, dumadaan na bagyo ngayon sa place namin. So, suspended nga ang klase ni. Buti naman kasi binabala ko na hindi pumasok today. Next is sunscreen. So, I'm going to use this one galing sa rejuvenating set ng Hello Glow. This is the Ultra Light Matte Sunscreen with SPF 30 PA++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++ I'm a really big fan of yung mga small tubes na ganyan. Para silang mga tester. Even if walang araw today, kailangan pa rin ng ano sa face natin. Yun na yung first skin prep ko. Magko-contacts ba ako? Kasi sa mga Latina look, wala namang naka-contacts. Pero bet ko mag-contacts today. So magko-contacts tayo. Of course, from Mindroo, super favorite ko yung mga contacts talaga nila. I'm using the OMG Brown naman this time. Hindi naka-record. Ayan, going back, hindi ko na-record yung sa ano. Doon na tayo sa makeup talaga. So, the OG clip. So, for the base, trip ko ngayon mag-prime. Airless Pump from Beauty Glaze. But hindi nagpa-pump. Ang konti na nakuha ko, but it's fine. Kasi na tayo kanina. Skin prep. Okay na yun sa pores ko. Touch ko lang siya. There, on the chin. Alam nyo na to. I only have 40 minutes. To, mga konting dark spots. Brows. So, for the brows, alam niyo naman ng mga brows nila, it is point on flick talaga yung brows nila. Meron tayong mga eyeshadow. To grab a brush like this and na may spoolie. So, gamit lang tayo ng dark brown shade. Too light. Pag-mix ko na lang sila, the brown eyeshadows and black eyeshadow. Blending is the key. So, make sure that you blend it really well. Napakataray ng brows. Pero maaano natin yan, don't worry. So, even dun sa TikTok video ko about... So, for, actually, foundation na. I-ano ko na yung foundation. This is the Squad in the shade T2, which is Tan 2. And I'm going to mix it with this Beauty Glazed Concealer. Mix ko lang sila. Okay. Ang method ko dito, ayan, I'll spread it like that. Girl, tignan mo, nawawala ang pores ko. Look at that! Here, tapos, blend ko lang to. Pat ko lang. Kita ba? Yun naman difference niya, guys. Combination ng Squad Cosmetics and Beauty Glaze. Ayan. For the concealer, nag-add lang ako ng Beauty Glazed ulit dun sa mixture ko kanina. Para medyo mas light lang siya ng konti. The goal here is to have a really full coverage but walang cakey, okay? Grab my sponge again and dito din sa eyes, blend ko yung sa bandang brows. Hala, nawala ang contact lens. Ah! Grabe naman. May magbiro ng ganun, me. Sinabahan ako ng slight. Okay na ako sa aking base. For the blush, this makes me so sad kasi hindi talaga ma-blush ang mga Latina girls. I'm going to use this Creamy Peach from DC Formulation. These blushes smell so good, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Maybe a little bit here. Blend ko na lang siya using my hands. Isa-set ko na siya. I'm using the Veze setting spray from TikTok. Talagang need ko siya i-lock. Ganyan. Lock niyo talaga siya with the spray, guys. Para hindi humulas. Nyo na medyo mag-mattify ulit yung face. Powder, I'm using the TNT Amazing. Lalagay ko siya sa buong face ko. And then, blend ko lang siya kasi... Blend ko lang siya kasi ayokong mag-dry siya dun sa mismong place na nalagay ko using a puff. So, blend ko na agad. The eyeliner that I'm going to use is from Pink Flash. Well, ito parang medyo mas natural. Ito naman. I think I'm gonna use this because Latina girls, maano din sila mag-falsies. So, I'm gonna use this from Kaikil Beauty. Ito ata yung Bloom. So, there you go. The falsies are on fleek din. You know, I really love this falsies. Again, sasabihin ko, very 10 out of 10. Underrated talaga siya. Blusher from Lamela. Super mura lang nito. So, Contour Trio. So, ito lang. Gamitin ko lang to. Napakatagal na neto, girl. Parang second hand lang. Binigay lang ng pinsan ko sa akin. The lips. Brown liner around the lips. There is the lip. And then, grab tayo ng nude shade. I think I'm going to use this from Squad in the shade Blight kasi medyo light siya sa akin. So, I think it will look great with a dark lip. So, using ko lang yung hair ko and then I'll be back for the final look. So, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Nakuha ko yung expectations. Kung magkakaroon lang ako ng mas maraming time on doing my makeup, baka ito na palagi yung makeup routine ko. Zoom ko kayo. Yung sa base niya, it's still there. It's still flawless. Talagang hindi ako masyadong nag-oil. I really think dahil din yun sa mga ginamit kong skin prep, especially the Axis Y Power Duo Serum, talagang nakakatulong sa akin. So yeah, here's my version of Latina-inspired makeup. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!